Oh yeah. You know what it's tuned to here? Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. How are you doing?
Yeah,
Sorry, could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here? Turn it down.
I got two FVR Star 15s with tear out sponge weekend with 6.5 bananas.
Okay. See the back real quick? Curious to see how the box looks. Oh yeah. You know what it's tuned to here?
It's tuned around 28 to 45.
Okay. And the amp is behind the seat? Can I see it real quick? Oh, it is? Thank you. Small little amp putting some power.
Yeah, it pushes around like 4.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk-around we got of his system. About to get to the bass demo. So if you haven't already, be sure to give him a like. He did a really good job showcasing it. This was at the Savannah, Georgia show, Savannah Seaport in 2021. Finally getting to upload it. This was back when the masks were still mandated, so you will see me wearing a mask, but I don't wear them today. So if you haven't already, comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. Keep things positive. He definitely has a good job with his system. He is running on a fully stock electrical system. He didn't mention any extra batteries, no upgraded high output alternator. I don't think he even has the big 3 complete. So 3,000 watt amplifier on these SVR SCAR 15-inch subwoofers on the 3K. It's a perfect match amplifier to subwoofer ratio, but if he upgraded his battery and a stock alternator to an upgraded, I'm sure he would have a lot more out of it. But you're going to see in the demo his voltage dropped a little bit, as well as he got a really solid flex for a stock electrical system. Looking forward to showing y'all. Buddy, when you have a system like this, do you put the subwoofers up or back or forward? And also, where do you put your port? Front, back, or up? Most of the time whenever I get demos, it seems the most optimal for output and loudness is subwoofers up, port back. He has his subs and box facing back. He used to have them facing upward, I remember from a previous demo I got from him, but it turned out really well. But yeah, let me know in the comments, do you have your subwoofers facing back, forward, or up, and the same with your port placement? Looking forward to seeing what y'all have to say about that. There's so many different variations. Always recommend trying different options to see what works best for your vehicle and your system, because there's so many different alterations of how results can come out of the outcome. So anyway, we're going to get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos, and enjoy. Thank you. You have a good day, man. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.